Legal Affairs Committee is satisfied that the nominee was recruited through an open, transparent, and competitive process in accordance with the relevant provisions of the law. The Justice and Legal Affairs Committee is equally satisfied that the nominee meets all the constitutional and statutory requirements, in particular those on citizenship, leadership, ethics and integrity, and tax compliance.
Honorable Rahim, what is out of order? Hold on, Honorable Mutuse.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I would want the chair to repeat the name because I think he has read the wrong name, which is not in the order paper.
Honorable Mutuse, you know, unlike the other time you are moving to remove someone from office, this you are putting into office, so be factual.
I am not sure the member was listening because I read the name of Mr. Abd Ahmed Mohamud, MBS, and that is what is in the order paper. That is what in the order paper.
It has been Honorable Rahim. It is not Mohammed. It's Mohamud, as on the order paper.
In case of any doubt, the nominee who was vetted by the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee and who is in the order paper today, seeking approval of the House, is Mr. Abd Ahmed Mohamud, MBS.
Continue, Honorable Mutuse.
So as I was saying, the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee is satisfied that one, the nominee was recruited through the correct statutory procedure. He was recruited openly, he was recruited transparently, and he was recruited competitively, and therefore satisfies the relevant provisions of the law. The Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs is equally satisfied that the nominee met the constitutional and statutory requirements for the appointment to the position of Chief Executive Officer of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, in particular, the provisions of the Constitution on citizenship, on leadership, on ethics and integrity, on tax compliance, as well as obligations to the Higher Education Loans Board. We are also satisfied that the nominee has the relevant abilities, experience, qualities, and meets the needs of the office to which he has been appointed. Madam Speaker, for the benefit of members, the nominee has worked at the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission for the last 19 years, occupying different positions as a senior investigator, as Director of Investigations, and currently as a Deputy CEO. He is the first Chief Executive Officer to be nominated and, if approved, to get office, who has been working in EACC internally. The rest have all come from outside. And in our questioning, during approval, we were satisfied that he has the necessary qualities to take the war on corruption forward. He did enumerate several achievements in terms of recovery of assets of about 4 billion shillings each year on cases that, as the Director of Investigations and the Deputy CEO, he has supervised.